Listen. What did you hear? The wiper blades make a sizzling sound when working, right? Don't be fooled if this happens. If you go to a repair shop, they will ask you to replace the wiper blades, even replace the wiper arm. Today, I will tell you a way to solve the problem without spending a penny. Firstly, let's take off the wiper blades. Here's a little switch. Press it down. Pull it out and take it off. Now the point comes. We slowly put the wiper lever on the windshield. Then check the wiper lever. You will find that it is a little deformed and does not fit perfectly with the windshield. Let's look at this side. There is obviously no fit problem. But this side is already tilted up. It's not normal. This is the reason why the wiper blade cannot clean the glass and makes abnormal noise. Solving this problem is very simple. Use a screwdriver to twist it back into the correct position. Let me check it out. The wiper blades no longer make any abnormal noise at all. It's really simple, right? Follow me and learn some car knowledge every day.